home remedies for long and shiny hairs. Smooth, shiny locks are like Jennifer Aniston are not totally unattainable if you don't have a celeb-level hairstyle, let alone a Hollywood-sized beauty budget. There are plenty of easy tricks you can use at home, not salon trips and necessary. If you want to get silky, glistening strands, try some of all of these smooth hair solutions and they'll work out whether you want beautifully defined curls or a shimmering mane of straight hairs. Number 1 is avocado. Avocado contains nutrients that will deeply moisturize and nourish your hairs. This in turn will make your hair smooth and shiny. Avocado is also extremely good for dry and damaged hairs. Mix 1 mashed ripe avocado with 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Apply this mixture on damp hair, form the roots to the end and cover with a shower cap for about 30 minutes. Finally, rinse it off and then wash it with lukewarm water. Finally, you can also mash with 1 ripe avocado and 1 ripe banana together. Mix in 1/2 cup of the teaspoon of almond oil. Massage this paste onto your scalp and spread it all over your hairs. Cover your head with a shower cap for about 30 minutes or more. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water and then shampoo your hairs. Follow either of these remedies once or twice a week, depending upon the condition of your hairs. Number 2 is honey. Honey is another effective home remedy for shiny hairs. It is a natural humectant that draws and retains moisture in your hair. This helps make your hair soft and shiny. Mix 2 tablespoons of the honey in 2 cups of the warm water. Put the mixture in spray bottle. After shampooing, spray this solution into your ears. Slowly massage it onto your scalp for 5 minutes and then leave it on for 50 minutes. Rinse it off with warm water. Use this treatment once daily. You can even mix some honey with your regular hair conditioner or twice a week. Number 3 is aloe vera. Aloe vera gel is good for your hairs due to its moisturizing property. It also has antioxidant vitamins and other compounds that support healthy hairs. Plus, aloe vera gel can reduce the dandruff and combat frizz. Prepare a paste with tablespoon of aloe vera gel, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and 3 tablespoons of yogurt. Apply this paste on damp hairs and leave it for about 30 minutes. Rinse it off and with lukewarm water. Alternatively, grind a few hibiscus flowers to make a thick paste. Mix it in 1/2 cup of aloe vera gel and 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Apply this mixture on your hair and leave it about 20 to 30 minutes. Wash your hair as usual. Use either of these remedies once or twice a week. Number 4 is yogurt. Yogurt works as a deep conditioner, hence it helps and make your hair soft, smooth, shiny. Plus, its natural antibacterial and antifungal properties due to its high lactic acid content can help to keep your scalp clean and free from infection. Brush your hair as well with a wide tooth comb. Spread your plain yogurt all over your hair. Convey your hair with a shower cap and leave it about 30 minutes. Rinse it out with lukewarm water and then shampoo and condition your hairs. Use these hair treatments once a week. Number 5 is gelatin. Gelatin can also make your hair smooth, soft and shiny. It has high lyse protein that can help damage the hair and that can help to treat the damaged hair. Plus, it adds silky smoothness to your hair and makes it extra shiny. Stir 1 tablespoon of the gelatin in 1 cup of warm water until it dissolves completely. And mix it with 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and a few drops of lavender essential oil. And leave it about for 10 minutes. Rinse it off with lukewarm water. Follow this remedy